Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essential inputs and taking 2 quick actions. First, consolidate CSVs, invoices, and Form 1099s into one folder so you can reference everything. Then open your analysis tool and import a working copy. Do not edit originals. Once loaded, standardize dates, currencies, and column names so downstream steps run without errors. These first moves prevent wasted time later. They let you focus on patterns and ratios rather than fixing avoidable formatting problems. Once data is standardized, perform cleaning and transformation to reveal meaningful metrics. Remove extraneous characters and convert to numeric types. Then map categories using rules or a trained classifier so similar transactions align. Create calculated fields such as rolling totals, month-over-month growth percent, and key ratios like gross margin and operating margin. Make sure to keep a mapping log so you can trace any category decisions. These middle steps turn raw numbers into analytical building blocks you can trust for insights. Now synthesize insights and validate before sharing. Generate trend charts, variance versus budget, and cohort or segment analyses to answer your key questions. Reconcile totals back to the original ledgers and spot-check random samples to confirm transformations. Once validated, prepare an executive summary, annotated visuals, and export clean datasets. If numbers disagree, check mapping rules and currency conversions first. That troubleshooting step resolves most discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.